Hello, Steamy Kitchen! Today we're diving into the world of HelloFresh. This meal kit delivery service supplies everything you need and will even choose meals for you based on your food preferences. This week, we received 3 meals from HelloFresh. First up is the Mexican chicken and rice bowl. I love that everything comes pre-measured and packed perfectly. It's a relief not having to measure out every single spice and sauce. Following their easy step-by-step recipe card, I put together these vibrant bowls topped with salsa fresca and lime sour cream. It's as delicious as it sounds, and it reminds me so much of our Buddha bowls. Next up, we have the Szechuan pork noodle stir fry. This one's got a bit of a kick with a mix of scallions, carrots, and a delicious peanut sauce. There's so much we love about HelloFresh. The convenience of receiving everything you need for the week right at your door, how customizable the meals are, and the fact that they really cater to your individual dietary needs. Perfect for any lifestyle, whether you're cooking for 2 or a whole family. I was super impressed by how authentic and flavorful this dish turned out. Lastly, the Italian stuffed bell peppers. These stuffed peppers have ground beef, couscous, a hearty tomato sauce, and bursting with Italian flavor. Normally, stuffed peppers can take forever to prepare, but the fact that everything was proportioned made this quick and easy. Plus, they send you only what you need, so there's no food waste, which you know we love. No need to buy a full-size bottle of something when you only need a few tablespoons. This gets super cost-effective with the increasing cost of groceries. With their ever-growing list of over 100 flexible recipe options, you'll never have to worry about having the same boring dinner again. From deciding what to make, to if you have those ingredients on hand, to the prep of the ingredients, that's where HelloFresh comes to the rescue. If you're looking to shake up your meal routine or just make life a little bit easier, HelloFresh might just be everything you're looking for. You can read our full review on steamykitchen.com. Thanks so much for watching.